In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Linkvertise making you wait 1 hour. So if Linkvertise is forcing a long timer and not letting you access the link, then just follow these steps. Now, the first thing you want to do is open your browser settings and clear your cookies and browsing history. So just delete all cookies and site data, and this will reset Linkvertise and make it think you're a new user. Now, once you've cleared the cookies, just close the browser completely, reopen it, and then try opening the Linkvertise link again. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing you want to do is use a different browser. So, for example, if you're using Chrome, switch to Safari, Firefox, or Edge, and then open the same Linkvertise link there. Now, if the issue still persists, the next thing you want to do is reset your internet connection. So you can either restart your router or turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it back off. Now, after doing that, just open the browser again and try accessing the Linkvertise link, and the 1 hour wait should be gone. And that's it. Your Linkvertise waiting issue should now be fixed. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.